Do you always wonder if you can make beats with your phone? The answer is yes, you can. It's very simple. What I'm about to show you in this video, and it took me a lot of practicing, a lot of time and energy. Now I'm professional at this, so patience with me. Let me show you. I understand. Plenty of you people say maybe you don't have laptop, you think you can't make beats, but things is changing. Like we are in 24th centuries now, you can do anything with your phone. Like you don't need laptop, you don't need studio, you don't need anything, you can do everything with your phone. I know some of you will be thinking like this video is for producers only, but no, it's not for producers. I'm not even producer, I'm not a producer, I'm an artist. It's for independent artists actually. I just want to make it in the music industry. You can't make it these days with only talent. So you got to make beat, you got to write song, got to do a lot of things to make it in this music industry. That's what I'm doing. I'm not a producer, I'm an artist actually. So this video is for artists and producer. Let me show you. If I have faith when I know I can do this step by step, step by step. So first, patient with me. This video might take a lot of time. You guys go try your band lab app. This video might take a lot of time, but I promise you will learn a lot from this video. You will benefit from this video. I swear to God. I don't talk about Bala app because I already told people about Bala app in my last video. So I know you guys already have Bala app in your phone, guys. But if you want to make beat or song with your phone, you have to have Bala app. It's the best way to make beat with your phone. Let's get to it. If you show like this normally. You touch this via instrument tools. For here you will touch this. For it will show like this. It will show like this. So what I'm about to find, I'm finding a drum. Like I want to start this beat with drum before I will find sound to put. Let's start it with drum. Pay attention. Okay. Drum pads. Let me look this. Nah, I want to make Afrobeat song, so that is not quite good. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so you guys see this. Pay attention, no, pay attention. Do you see what I can do with this? Actually, this is so powerful if you know what you are doing. No. Alright, I want to record something here. Alright, yeah, what do you feel like? Okay, now we are done with the drums. We are not done with the drum. Now we choose sample. I want to have sound to start the beat. Now sample. You will learn a lot from this video. Trust me, this video is not one to waste your time. You will benefit from this video. Just watch till the end and understand everything perfectly. Yeah. I use this Atlantic Shield, Afrobeat Shield to get my guitar instrumentals so I can use to match with the drum I just played. You know what I mean? It sounds like more like Omali, my dear. Who have you, Omali, my dear? This here, this here. I'm sure that this match. But I don't care. But the words, only white people will know what I'm doing here. Oh. Some people don't understand this thing. Like, there's nothing tomorrow. Shift this thing. Let me record. Now I am recording it. I I am recording the sound. You know what I mean? Pay attention. Pay attention. You know what I mean? I forgot for now. Cut this one. Come on, this one. I know that I can. Too long. Yeah. Now I'm looking for a voice to keep it going. To keep it going, a voice to keep it going. Like professionally, I'm teaching you guys. Wow, man, this thing, for real. No voice. Nah. Voice. Let me add the first. Let me add the first to see what. Let me add the first. Let me try this first. Now I'm recording it. I've made a lot of mistakes this thing, but that's just how it is for. Let me play it for you guys to see how it sounds. Listen. What do you guys think about that? I know some of you will learn from this video. Some of you will think like you don't understand this video. Go and download your Bad Lab app. Look this process that I just showed you. Understand it. It's very easy. I show you the steps. Normally, when I'm about to make beat with Bad Lab app, this is not the way I do it. I'm just showing you in a short video. I don't want to make it the past 10 minutes or make a short video for you guys. So I'll show you the easy way to just do it proper beat. If I want to make a real beat, I make beat like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours just to let it make beat. But this is just the easy way to just make beat. If you want to just sing, you just make easy beats. You get, you can add a lot of things, you can add a lot of voice, a lot of vocal, anything you want. Very easy. If you have learned anything from this video, subscribe, like.